Over the past 50 years, Laerdal's resuscitation mannequins have been used to train more than 300 million people worldwide. Widely recognized as high-quality, tried-and-true classics, we're excited to introduce the next generation, our new classics, the resuscitation mannequins you know and trust, but better.
High-quality CPR is defined as an adequate depth, rate, full release of each compression, and minimal interruption in the compressions. Ventilations should be of an adequate rate and volume. There are many studies that have looked at CPR performance and how it relates to outcomes. Also, studies have looked at how feedback can impact the performance of providers in training or in clinical practice.
So in terms of the quality feedback, our patients expect the best, and if we can train our clinicians in this environment to provide the best quality CPR, then obviously that's got to be a good thing and of huge benefit to the patients.
CPR feedback during practice and assessment is essential in order to learn and improve. Our mannequins now feature feedback capabilities to meet all your CPR training needs.
So to have a user-friendly interface, I think again is really important. These things can be overcomplicated sometimes, but this is very intuitive and user-friendly, and again maximises the training environment.
Clear, objective statistics and easy-to-understand graphics enable you to deliver the best teaching experience possible every time. Can you say that you ensure the quality of your CPR training? Now you can.
The first thing we did was to see how we can improve our mannequins, and it became clear to us quite soon that the most important thing is actually to improve the quality of the CPR feedback. We've spent a lot of time with CPR instructors and we see the challenges that they face every day. And it is really, some of these things are difficult to spot. Can you really see with your own eyes that everyone in a CPR class is compressing deep enough? Can you see if someone is leaning? It's really difficult, but with this new software we have brought all these details onto the instructor to give full control, basically, just at a glimpse at the screen.
QCPR feedback allows instructors to get an overview of everyone's performance. At a glance, you can see exactly who needs help and on what. During the session, you can use the information to tailor your guidance. After each session, you can use the detailed results to debrief.
We could summarise resuscitation training simply as the more you know, the better you do. And we now have objective evidence that if we improve the quality of CPR training by providing real-time feedback, this improves survival and also the long-term outcome of our patients that we resuscitate.
Whatever your CPR training needs, Laerdal offers a solution. Experience the new classics in CPR training, the products you know and trust, now even better.
The evidence is compelling. When it comes to CPR, it's not enough to just do it. You have to do it right.
More than 1 million people suffer from a sudden cardiac arrest every year. But if quality CPR is given immediately after collapse, then the chance of survival can be doubled or even tripled. Using Laerdal's latest generation of QCPR technology, the CPR meter can record and document CPR performance for debriefing. The quick review event statistics enables rescuers to immediately self-evaluate their CPR performance. More in-depth evaluation and debriefing is also possible using the QCPR review software. This opportunity to debrief events objectively is essential to facilitate team improvements and help to improve patient outcomes.